Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's get what we have right here. So, like I said earlier on, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay. So, guys, quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15 minutes time frame and I'm using the 3M custom made indicator, 3M train custom made indicator. Okay, and of course, just like we have known, this particular GainX 1200 has been on uptrend for some days now. Okay, it will go up, pull back a bit, go up again, pull back a bit. Okay, so that is why I had to draw out this trend line to show us the direction of the movement. Okay, if it breaks out below it at this point, then definitely it means it's going to sell more. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Okay, however, I will advise you for you to wait for the total breakout and the right signal before you jump into it. We are expecting a downtrend, but it will only happen if this breakout is a successful one. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so make sure you have an eye on it until it happens. But for now, it is still on uptrend. Okay, it is still buying until the breakout happens. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, so the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999, and this is actually a unique trading opportunity that most of us actually picked today. Okay, most especially if you have been on the Telegram. I mean, if you are having this trading tool, okay. So you can see right from this resistance when it gave us a downtrend signal, I had to draw out this trend line just to indicate that once it breaks out from there, then definitely it should sell. And you can see it sold for a very long time. Okay, so this is a sell for each and every one of us. If it breaks out below this support zone, it's going to sell more. But if it does not, it should go back into an uptrend, but for now it is still selling. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. I actually dropped this signal in the Telegram channel. It started an uptrend right from here and it's but still it's got to this region before coming back. Okay, it actually smashed our TP1, TP2, TP3, but it didn't get to the last TP, which happened to be TP4. But TP1, 2, 3 is a lot of profit for each and every one of us because this is 15 minutes time frame and I'm really happy that we are able to achieve this together. However, this is going down at the moment. If it breaks out below this particular support zone, then definitely it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will go back into an uptrend, but for now it is still selling. Next asset is going to be Paynex 999. This is Paynex 999. We actually milk this particular asset within the last 2 days, and of course, it was a successful opportunity. I mean, trading opportunity for each and every one of us. So it's still on uptrend and it is still buying at the moment. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay. Next asset is going to be our FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80, and of course, just the way we have seen this has also been on uptrend for a while, but it has got into this resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. If it does not, then definitely it's going to go back on downtrend and may likely get to this region. Okay, so we believe that it should go back on downtrend right from here, except if it breaks out above this. But if it does not, then it's definitely going to sell till it get to this region. And if it breaks out from here, then it's going to sell more. So we expect more selling opportunity than a buying opportunity right from the, except if it breaks out above the resistance zone. That is when it's buy more. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via my WhatsApp. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.